This Japanese-style tiny home redefines compact living with an ingenious integration of built-in stairs and storage cabinets, all neatly stored along the wall. By combining functionality and minimalism design, the staircase doubles as a smart storage solution tucked away when not in use to maximize the available floor space. One of the standout features is a horizontally sliding loft, allowing the void area to shift dynamically based on activity or spatial needs. This flexibility enables the space to adapt between a more open, breathable layout or a more private partition zone, depending on the moment. The home also includes folding beds that seamlessly merge with wall cabinets, transforming sleeping areas into multifunctional zones for working, socializing, or relaxing during the day. Meanwhile, strategically placed cabinets throughout the interior prov- provide ample hidden storage without clutter, maintaining the clean lines and serene flow of Japanese aesthetic principle. This smart configuration makes the tiny home feel remarkably spacious and versatile, proving that small living does not have to mean compromise. It can mean innovation.